Ég heiti Arna Þóra og ég í Reykjahlíðarskóla. Ég ætla að syngja Dreamer með Ozzy Osbourne. Ég væri helst til að fara í frí til Bandaríkjanna því það er svo rosalega mikið að sjá þarna. Ég held að appið sem ég nota mest hlýtur að vera Snapchat. Ég hef alltaf haft mjög mikinn áhuga að syngja. Pabbi minn mjög mikill tónlistarmaður og ég söng alltaf með honum þegar hann spilaði.
Lag númer 9, Dreamer, Arna Þóra.
Gazing through the window at the world outside, wondering will Mother Earth survive, hoping that mankind will stop abusing her sometime. After all, there's only just the two of us, and here we are still fighting for our lives, watching all of history repeat itself time after time. I'm just a dreamer, I dream my life away. I'm just a dreamer who dreams of better days. I watch the sun go down like every one of us. I'm hoping that the dawn will bring a sign, a better place for those who will come after us this time. I'm just a dreamer, I dream my life away today. I'm just a dreamer who dreams of better days. Your higher power may be God or Jesus Christ. It doesn't really matter much to me. Without each other's help, there ain't no hope for us. I'm living in a dream of fantasy. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. If only we could all just find serenity. It would be nice if we could live as one.